Now, first of all, let us discuss about ratio. Ratio is a kind of fraction, okay? Like suppose we write a by b of fraction. Then this is a fraction. So here a is the numerator, and b is the denominator. Here what is this? This is called as numerator and this is called as denominator. So a fraction, when we write in this form, it is called as ratio. This symbol, this column is read as each to. This is read as each to. So now this each to is same like division sign. Here we are just taking out this middle part of the division sign and we are just writing these two dots. And here numerator is the first part of this ratio and denominator is the second part of the ratio. Okay. Now this is the first term. This is the first term and this is the second term of the ratio. Okay. This first term is called as antecedent. This is called as antecedent and this one is called as consequent. Now, my dear children, as an example, let us see if your height is 135 centimeter and your friend's height is 150 centimeter. Now we have to find the ratio of your height and your friend's height. Now we'll write this one as your height is to your friend's height is to your height is 135 centimeter and your friend's height is 150 centimeter. Now this centimeter will get cancelled and this also will get cancelled. So this is 15 9 times, this is 15 10 times. So 9 is to 10 is the answer. Okay, 9 is to 10 is the ratio of your height and your friend's height. Now with this example, what we can say is that a ratio is a fraction. A ratio is what? A fraction. Therefore what we can write? The ratio is a fraction and it has no unit. So we find ratio of two quantities of the same kind. Like here we are talking about height. Okay, so let us write the ratio of two quantities of the same kind in the same unit. Okay, So here the height is the quantity and unit is centimeter. Height is the quantity and unit is centimeter. So here we can see centimeter is same unit and there are two quantities of same kind, that is height. Now some important facts about ratio. So some important about ratio. So let us list out. Number one is the ratio between two quantities of the same kind and in same units is obtained on dividing the first quantity by the second. Number two, ratio is a fraction. It has no unit, as the units get cancelled, so it has no unit. Number three, the quantity or the quantities to be compared to form a ratio should be of same kind, should be of the same kind. Number four, to find a ratio between two quantities of the same kind, both the quantities should be taken in same unit. So what we can write, this should be in, quantities should be in the same unit. Quantities should be taken in the same unit. How to solve a ratio in simplest form or in lowest terms. Okay, so a ratio, suppose A by B, is in its simplest form if it is in simplest form if the HCF of A and B is 1. If the HCF of A and B is 1. Okay, example 3 by example, I am giving you example. Suppose a ratio 3 by 4 is in simplest form because the HCF of 3 and 4 is 1. HCF of 3 and 4 is 1. So with this all, we can start our exercise. Exercise 7A. Question number 1 is to express each of the following ratios in simplest form. So number 2, question number 2 is 95 is to 57. Now we will read this one as is to. After this, what is the question? Express each of the following ratios in simplest form. So we have to follow this rule only. We have to follow these all rules. Okay. So first we will write this one as a fraction. In place of ratio form, we will write as fraction 95 by 57. The first term will be in numerator and second term will be in denominator. Now the HCF of these two we have to find. HCF of these two you can find in ROF. Okay. 57 HCF of 57 and 95 we are finding. So 57 one time, 57 here, 1 we are borrowing from here, 15 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 8 will be here, and here 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3, 38. Now this 38 we are doing by division method. So 38 will be the divisor and 57 will be the dividend here. Now again we will divide 38 1 ja 38. Here 1 will borrow 17, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 9 will get here, and here 4 minus 3 is 1, 19. This 38 will come here and we will divide it. 19 2 times is 38. So finally we got the HCF. HCF of 95 and 57 is how much? 19. So we can find the simplest form of this by dividing by 19 to the numerator and by 19 to the denominator. So 19 5s are 95 and 19 3s are 57. So this is the simplest form. Okay, this is the simplest form. You can see here, as it was not capturing by the camera. So here 19 5s are 95 and 19 3s are 57. If you are having problem in finding HCF, so you need to practice. Question number 3. 2:1, no, 2.1, 2 decimal 1 is to 1 decimal 2. Okay, so here what we have to do is first remove the decimal. Let us bring it into fractional form. 21 by 10. When you are removing this decimal, so here 10 comes. Is to is here only, and here this becomes 12, and here comes 10 because we are removing the decimal. When we are removing the decimal, that many zeros will be here. Okay, one number is after the decimal, so 1 0 here. One number is after the decimal, so 1 0 is here. That is why 21 by 10 became, and this one became 12 by 10. Now we can convert this one in this way, and now we can cancel the denominator and denominator of both the sides. And what is remaining here? 21 and 12. This also we can cancel by its HCF. What is the HCF of 21 and 12? 3. 3 7 ja 21 and 3 4 ja 12. Okay, simply you can find a factor and you can cancel also. Okay, like 3 is the factor of both the number. 3 7 ja 21, 3 4 ja 12. So this is the simplest form. Okay, next number is 4 number I am doing here. 4 number is 3 whole 1 by 4 is to 6 whole 1 by 2. Now first of all, let us change this one into improper fraction. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 4 is 2 is here only, 6 2s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13, 13 by 2. Now the numerator is same. Okay, they are equal, so we can cancel it. 13 1s are 13, 13 1s are 13, and here in denominator the common factor for this 2 is 2, 2 1s are 2 2s are. What are the remaining things here? 1 by 2, this side 1 by 1. So this is division sign, actually 1 by 2. So when we are making it multiplication sign, okay, this will become reciprocal and we can multiply. 1 1s are 1 and 2 1s are 2. Okay, so this can be written as 1:2. So this is the simplest form. Okay, so this is the simplest form. Now question number 5, 1 5 6a is to 9b. So here a and b, there are two different variables, so we cannot cancel these all variables, but we can work on numbers. So 6 and 9, the common factor of 6 and 9 is 3. So let us first write 6a is to 9b, and 3 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, sorry, here 3 2s are 6, this is 3 2s are 6, a and b. So this is the simplest form of this question. Now question number 6, 8 a b square is to 6 a square b. Here first of all, let us expand this algebraic expressions. This is 8 into a into b into b is to 6 into a square is a into a and b. So here b square is b into b, here a square is a into a. Now these two are even numbers, so we can cancel it by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, this a and this a cancels, and this b and this b cancels. What is remaining here? B is remaining, is 2. What is remaining this side? A is remaining. So 4b is to 3a is the simplest form of this question. Now we are moving to question number 2. My dear students, you need to revise these all properly. Okay? Express each of the following ratios in simplest form. So second question is also same like that of question number 1. it is also asking us to convert the ratios into simplest form. So now question number 1. 1 by 8 is to 1 by 12. Here what we will do is we'll change this ratio sign into division sign. 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 12. So now it becomes very easy. Now it became very easy. Is equals to 1 by 8 into 12 by 1. Now 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. What is remaining here now? In the numerator 3 is remaining, and in the denominator 2 is remaining. So finally, how can we write this? We can write as 3 is to 2. Now let us do question number 5. Let us do question number 5. Here you can see here 1 by 8 is to 1 by 12. This is the question, and is to sign I have changed into divide sign. 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 12. And next step, this division I have changed into sign, multiplication sign. Because of that, this fraction is becoming reciprocal. That is, 1 is going to numerator and 12 is coming to numerator and 1 is coming to denominator. Okay, so here the cancellation and the answer. Now question number 5 is like this. 1 whole 2 by 3 is to 2 whole 1 by 2 is to 1 whole 3 by 4. First we have to change these all mixed fractions to improper fractions. So let us give your equal to sign. This one is a separate sum. So 3 1s is 6, 3 1s is 3, 3 4 5, 5 by 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 is to 4 1s are 4, 5 6 7, 7 by 4. Here we have 3 terms. Okay, so for that what we have to do is, let us find the LCM of 3, 2 and 4. 3, 2 and 4, we are looking for LCM. So the smallest number that can divide these two numbers is 2. This remains like that only. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, and here again by 2, 2 1s are 2, and here by 3, 3 1s are 3 and 1. So 3 2s are 6, 6 6 2s are 12. So this this is the LCM. So LCM we got here 12. LCM of 3, 2 and 4 is equals to how much? We got 12. So by this 12 we have to multiply each fractions. 5 by 3 into 12 is to 5 by 2 into 12 is to 7 by 4 into 12. Now here 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now this and this 5 4s are 20 is to this and this 5 6s are 30 and 7 3s are 21. So this one is the simplest form of question number 5. Now question number 3. Express each of the following ratios in simplest form. So here also we are making given ratios into simplest form. Question number 1, 35 paise is to rupees 1. So here this is in paise and this one is in rupees. So first we have to change the units. Okay, both are money but the units of these two are different. Let us make the units same. So 35 paise, and in 1 rupee how many paises are there? 100 paise. So now the units are same, units and unit getting cancelled, and 35 and 100 also getting cancelled. 5 7s are 35, 5 20s are 100. So simplest form is 7:20. Question number 2. Here 1 kg is to 375 gram. So here also the units we have to change at first. Now 1 kg we will write as 1000 gram, and this remains as it is. This gram and gram cancels. Here also we can cancel by 5 2s 10, and here 0 by 5 by 5 7s are 35, and 2 on hand, 2 and 5 25, 5 5s are 25. We are cancelling this number, we are dividing this number by 5 and this number also by 5. We got 200 here 75. Again we can cancel by 5, 5 4s are 20 and 0 here, 5 1s are 5 and 2 5 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25. Okay, so here we got 15, and now in by 5 8s are 40 and 5 3s are 15. Now we cannot go further, so this is the simplest form. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Here it's 60 centimeter is to 1 meter. Now 60 centimeter is to 1 meter. Meter we have to convert it into centimeter. So for this what you can do is you should know this one: millimeter, then centimeter, then decimeter, then meter, then decameter, hectometer, kilometer. So when we are converting from bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply, and when we are going for smaller unit to bigger unit, then we have to divide. Okay, so here meter is becoming centimeter, so here 1 0 1 0 1, so 100 is the number for this conversion. So 100 into 1 is 100, meter becomes centimeter. Now centimeter and centimeter getting cancelled, and this 0 or this 0 also getting cancelled. 3 no, 2 3 is 6 and 2 5 is 10. So this is the simplest form here. Now question number 4 is 400 meter is to 1 kilometer. Here also you can see meter and kilometer. So we have to convert this bigger unit to smaller unit. 400 meter is to 1 kilometer is equals to how many meter? 1 kilometer to meter. This is 1 0 0 0 and 1. So we have to multiply this number by 1000, isn't it? Unit, tens, 100, 1000, 1000. By 1000 we'll multiply this number and we'll get 1000 only. 1000 into 1 is 1000 and this changes to meter. Now they are in same units, so unit will get cancelled and these two zeros will also get cancelled. This is 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So this is the simplest form. We can write 2 is to 5 in this manner. Okay. Question number 5 3 5. 8 months is to 1 whole 2 by 3 years. So here month and here years. So we have to convert it into month. So first of all, 8 months is to 3 ones are 3, 4 5, 5 by 3 years. 5 by 3 years. We can convert years to month by multiplying by 12. 8 months this side and this side 5 by 3 into 12. When we multiply this year by 12, then it becomes months. Now this months and months getting cancelled. Here also 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. Now here 8 is to 5 4s are 20. Again we can cancel. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 20. So it becomes 4 is to 5. This is the simplest form. Now next question we are going for is 6. 6 whole 2 by 3 hours is to 1 day. Now this mixed fraction, let us convert it into improper fraction at first. 6 3s are 18, 18, 19, 20. 20 by 3, this is hours. And we know that in one day there are 24 hours. We can write one day as 24 hours. Hours and hours getting cancelled. Here 20 by 3. Okay, here. So both the side will multiply by 3 because we want to remove this 3. Okay, you can think that here is 1 and the LCM of 3 1 is 3. Okay, that is why we are multiplying both the sides by the LCM also. So here 3 and 3 getting cancelled. This is 20 is to this one is 72. Now again we can cancel here 2 10 times, 2 3s are 2 6s are 2 5s are and 2 18s are. So this is the simplest form. So my dear students, for today this much. In next video class I'll come with question number 4 and the rest. Thank you.